Hello, Zalalem from 2620 is active. Today we will discuss about the do while loop. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you like my video, comment, share and like. So the do while loop in Java is one of the loops commonly used, and the general format is like we start with the do keyword and left parenthesis, curly brace, and then we will close it with a right curly brace, and we will put our condition at the end. Okay, so here we write the condition and we end it with a semicolon. Okay, so to demonstrate on example, let's have a variable called x. So we can say do, and okay, x is less than 10. Okay, so here we start printing the value of x while it is less than 10. So the important thing to have working do while loop is you have to make sure that you control the iteration here. So we have to add the iteration segment here. So we have to add x plus plus, otherwise the loop will run forever as x is 5 and always it will be less than 10. So here we have to run this one and see the output. So here we get a print till the value of x is less than 10. The peculiar thing about the do while loop is it will be executed at least once, because the condition is checked after first iteration is executed. So if we make this one while less than 5, as you can see x is 5, so this is false, but we will get the value of 5 printed here. Okay, so here we get 5. If this is a while loop, okay, if this is a while loop, we will not get anything executed because the condition is checked before any code is executed. So we can also loop the do while loop. So what you can do is you add another do while loop here and check the condition here. Okay, and you have to end it with a semicolon. So to demonstrate on the code we have already, let's print our x value and let's have another value int s is equals to x times x. Okay, so here s is the square of x, and if we do another while loop here, okay, so here we can say to make the loop very short, we can control the value of s here while s is greater than 0. Okay, so here we expect to start from the square of x and print those values by subtracting the value of x each time. So here we expect the next loop to print the value of x, and in between starting from the square of x downwards by decreasing the value of x. So here to make it clear, we can have a line break. Okay, so if we run this one, it ran at least once. Okay, so if we make this one 10, we will get repeated outputs. Okay, so here as you can see, we output the value of x, then we start from the square of x and decrease by the value of x. Okay, when x is when the value of s is 0, we will exit out of the internal do while loop and go with the, so we have 5 rounds of prints. That's how you loop the do while loop. And that's it for this video. Thank you for your time.